Have you ever wished you could walk into a room and instantly connect with anyone? It's not about being fake or manipulative. It's about understanding how people think. Here are 10 powerful psychology tricks that make people like you almost instantly. Trick number 1. Use their name. People love hearing their own name. It signals importance and builds familiarity. Use it naturally, and you'll see connection grow. Number 2. Mirror their body language. This unconscious mimicry builds trust and connection fast. But remember, be subtle, not robotic. Trick number 3. Ask for small favors. It's called the Benjamin Franklin effect. When someone helps you, they subconsciously feel closer to you. Trick number 4. Compliment effort, not just appearance. You handled that really well shows thoughtfulness and respect. That's the kind of compliment people remember. Trick number 5. Let them talk. Ask questions. Truly listen. People don't just like good listeners, they remember them. Trick number 6. Ease the spotlight effect. Most people think everyone's watching them. Reassure them. Make them laugh. They'll feel at ease and associate that feeling with you. Trick number 7. Use subtle touch. A light handshake. A brief tap on the shoulder. Subtle touch builds trust through oxytocin. Just keep it respectful. Trick number 8. Match their energy. Soft voice. Slow down. Energetic vibe. Raise yours a little. Mirroring emotion makes people feel understood. Trick number 9. Don't try too hard. Don't try to impress. Confidence is calm. Be curious. Be present. That's more magnetic than any performance. Trick number 10. End on a high note. Always leave them smiling. People remember how you made them feel at the end. So leave on a positive, memorable note. This is Thought Fuel, your weekly dose of psychology and self-growth. Subscribe now and start winning hearts, one conversation at a time.